Mastering the present perfect continuous tense. Hello, learners! Today, we're diving deep into a special verb tense in English, the present perfect continuous. This tense can seem tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it with confidence. Let's get started. The present perfect continuous tense combines the present perfect and continuous, or progressive, aspects. It's used to express 1. An action that began in the past and is still continuing in the present. 2. An action that was happening recently and has just finished, but has a connection with now. The structure is have, has plus been plus present participle, verb plus ing. Examples. I have been studying English for 5 years. It started in the past and is still happening. She has been running and that's why she's out of breath. The running happened recently and there's an effect in the present. 1. Duration from the past until now. When you want to talk about how long something has been happening. Example. They have been living here since 2010. 2. Recently completed actions. When an action recently finished but its effects are still evident in the present. Example. It's wet outside because it has been raining. Often, certain words or phrases clue us in on which tense to use. With the present perfect continuous, look out for these. 1. For indicates duration. Example. He has been waiting for an hour. 2. Since points to the start of the action. Example. She has been teaching since 8 a.m. 3. Lately or recently suggests the action happened in the not-too-distant past and might still be ongoing. Example. I have been feeling a bit tired lately. 1. Confusing with present perfect simple. Remember, if you want to emphasize duration or ongoing action, use the continuous form. 2. Overusing the tense. Not every recent action requires this tense. It's essential when the action's effect on the present is vital to the context. That wraps up our journey through the present perfect continuous tense. Practice makes perfect, so keep using this tense in your conversations and writings. We hope this video has been illuminating and will help you master English even further. Until next time, happy learning!